Hello, little learners. Today we're going on an alphabet adventure. Let's learn our ABCs together. A, apple.
A is for apple.
B, ball. C, cat.
D is for dog. D, dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. F for F, fish. G, giraffe. H is for house. I is for ice cream. J, jellyfish.
K. Lel. M. R. P. Q. S is for sun. T is for train. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra.